welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you a few products that I have been using and it's actually been helping my skin, my acne prone skin to heal. So hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I just want to tell you that if you, like me, have PCOS, you may be suffering with those little acne that is so annoying, that I hate so much. But anyway, I've been suffering with acne for a little while, since I was, I think, 16 I started, you know, but it wasn't that much. It was just few here, there. It was actually under control. And then when I was 19 or 20, if I'm not mistaken, I think it was 20, everything started popping like crazy. And of course I hated it. I felt so self-conscious, so bad, so ugly, so, you know, fill the blank. Anyway, I came to the United States, still with a lot of acne, and my hope was like, I am going to the land of the cosmetics. I am gonna buy everything to make my skin look better. And I cannot say everything, but guys, I tried a lot of different products, from very expensive products from Sephora and from the mall and from all these high-end cosmetic lines, to the doctor's medications, from injections, from vitamins, from antibiotics, from name it. And then I was diagnosed with PCOS because before I didn't even know why I had so much acne. I was always suffering with acne and I was trying everything proactive, name it. And then I went to Washington DC. My mom actually came to visit and I took her to a trip to Washington DC. And then when I got there, boom, I forgot my soap, my facial routine products, and I was like, I'm screwed because now I'm full of makeup and I don't have anything, all my harsh treatments to remove my makeup and to do my night routine. What I'm gonna do? The only thing that was open by the hotel was a supermarket called Trader Joe's. I'm gonna leave the website down below, because if you don't have a Trader Joe's near you, maybe you can, you know, search online and see what they have. They are actually a natural store. They're actually a natural supermarket. They sell everything organic, everything so natural. And then I went there like with my skepticism, like, what I need is antibiotics, you know, not organic things. I went there, I was like, I just need some soap to go through the weekend and that's it. That's when my life suddenly changed, because I came across a soap that changed my life. This little guy over here. Can you guys see it? There we go. It's called Green Tea Triple Mild Soap. 100% pure vegetable, enriched with shea butter, made in France. Okay, it's chic. At least it was made in France. Anyway, just kidding. This green tea soap changed my life. It's totally organic. It's very mild. It's very soft on my skin. I started using and boom, everything started drying. But when I say drying, acne drying, not skin drying, because this is so mild, this is so good. Seriously guys, I swear by it. It's been almost 3 years. Yeah, it's been almost 3 years since I've been using this. Because I do still get, you know, little breakouts, but not as much as before. So this is one of my favorite ever. This was, I think, $3.50, $3 and something, and this changed my life forever. My next thing is, I was looking for something to use my Clarisonic Mia. If you don't know, it's a little brush that, you know, rotates, and it says that cleans 6 times deeper than, you know, when you wash your face with your hands. I do have that, but unfortunately this little soap over here does not make a lot of foam. So I was looking for something that would be as mild as this soap, but would produce more foam, so I could use my Clarisonic Mia. And then I came across this Shiseido Pureness Foaming Cleansing Liquid. It's very rich, just a little bit, and then it becomes very soapy, very foamy, and oh my gosh, it smells so good. I really like the way this smells. And then it does not clog my pores. I've been using actually this a lot. It's been awesome. And then I can finally use with the Clarisonic Mia without feeling that it's too dry without the foam that the other cleanser does not do, the other soap. So this is my second pick for cleaning my face. Next one is for you guys that suffer with redness. Do you? Because I do. It's just so bad. A few years ago I went to the doctor because I said, I can't deal with this anymore. I cannot even, you know, go get groceries without putting makeup on. I feel so ugly, so self-conscious, a lot of little redness all over my face, and I felt so bad, and nothing worked. And then I went to my dermatologist, and then he prescribed me this. I think it's over the counter. It's not even a prescription drug. Forgive me for my pronunciation now, but I would say Peche. It's called Peche, whatever, Redness Control, Neo-Swiss Technology by Neocutis. It helped me so much. I have no words to say to you how happy I got in such a short amount of time, because my skin improved so much with this. It's not very cheap. I think this little bottle was 60 or 70 bucks. But guys, seriously, I think I have this for almost 2 years and I still have it, you know. Of course I don't wear it, I don't use this every day, but seriously, if you suffer from redness, go ahead and buy this little guy here because it helps a lot. The next product I'm gonna tell you, it's another serum. I was actually looking for something to help me with my wrinkles, because even though I have a skin of a teenager that breaks out like a teenager, have acne all over my face, I'm still getting a little wrinkled. So this next product, it's not per se for acne, but since people like me that breaks out a lot are always looking for a product that wouldn't break us out, and I'm always looking for a product that my pores would look a little smaller, and this is the answer. This is called Retinol Vitamin Enriched by Skincare Cosmetics. It's an anti-wrinkle facial serum. Seriously, this is amazing. This is fantastic. I feel like my skin gets much more firm after using this, but the only problem with this product over here, it dries up your skin a little bit. So I do not use these every day. So sometimes I rotate between this one and the one for redness. Sometimes I just give myself a little space in between treatments, but I would say like 2 days, and then you stop and then you do again. Try it out and see how your skin reacts. This one is amazing. My skin feels so firm whenever I use this. So if you want to give it a try, it was very cheap and I got these at Marshalls. Yeah, Marshalls. So my next product, it's my moisturizer. I think this moisturizer I've been using for about 3.5 years now. It was a dermatologist that recommended this to me, because before, for me it was just like, I have oily skin, I have acne, no moisturizer. I need my skin to be so dry, very dry, that if I could, I put my head inside of the dryer. But my dermatologist said, no, you actually need to moisturize your skin. She said the CeraVe is fantastic, you should use the CeraVe. So this one is my PM CeraVe, and this one I actually got the CVS brand, with the comparable to the CeraVe. So this is my AM, and it does have the SPF 30, which is great because in the mornings I wash my face, I just put this one, I don't have to put sunscreen on top, just put my makeup on and go to work or anywhere I go. Even if I go to the beach, if I go to the pool, this is the sunscreen I wear all the time. These two guys over here saved my life as well, because whenever, like the winter with all those antibiotics that I was doing that I don't recommend, seriously, but anyway, do your thing first. These guys changed my life. What I feel is just like, by wearing the moisturizer sunscreen, I put a protection on my face that when I go out there, I feel like my pores are not so open for all the dirt to get in. I'm not a dermatologist, I'm just sharing my experience. This is how I feel, I'm not sure, but I really hope you like. So The next product I want to bring to you is gonna seriously blow your mind. Ready for it? It's so different from anything that you ever thought about to use for acne skin. Ta-da! A row of paper towels. Yes, I kid you not, paper towels. Okay, I started using paper to dry my face because nothing was working. Everything was still, I was using all these products and my face was still getting crazy. And then I stopped and thought, my towel, I'm drying my face with a dirty towel. I mean, you know guys, they're not dirty, you know what I mean, right? I dry my body with my towel, all the oils from my body. I sometimes put oil in the shower and then dry myself up, and there I go to dry my face. And then or I use the towel that I don't know, dry my hands and boom, put it on my face. Of course it wasn't getting better. All those oils coming back to my face with those dirty towels, all those germs and everything comes back. Just as I know, I'm not a germ freak, but this actually changed my skin forever, because since I started using paper, my skin is much better. The redness is under control. Everything is much better because what I do, I take a tiny little piece of the paper towel, I dry my face and I throw it away. No germs coming back to my face. So if you want to give it a try, let me know after what works for you, what doesn't work for you. And if you do suffer with acne and you have some other tips, anything else to share, please make sure to leave your comment down below. I love hearing from you guys. And this is not Juliana's channel, this is our channel. Let's build this community together. Let's help each other together. Let me know what you use for your face, for your acne treatments. Just leave your comments down below. Maybe you're gonna help me and somebody else. And if you don't have a routine and if you give my routine a try, let me know as well, because I love to hear if what I'm saying is actually help somebody else. Alright, I really hope this helped you guys, and if you like this video, make sure to click the thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe so you can always receive my videos and keep up with everything that is going on my fabulous life. Okay, not that fabulous, but anyway, subscribe. Alright, until I see you again, have a nice day. Bye.